In the tranquil depths of the northern seas, there was a legend of a magical pearl that could grant harmony between all sea creatures. This pearl was guarded by a mermaid named Nerida, known far and wide for her wisdom and kindness. She was a friend to all who swam in the sea, from the tiniest fish to the mightiest whales. Nerida's home was a beautiful underwater garden where seaweed swayed like emerald curtains and luminescent plants glowed softly in shades of blue and green. Colorful coral towers dotted the landscape, and schools of fish danced through the water like shimmering rainbows. Nerida spent her days caring for the reef and helping the sea creatures solve their problems. If a crab argued with a lobster over a cozy cave, or if dolphins squabbled over who could jump the highest, Nerida was always there to lend an ear and help them find a solution. But one day, a dark shadow loomed over her peaceful world. Word spread through the ocean that a group of pirates had begun hunting the seas for treasure. Their big, noisy ships scared away the fish, and their anchors damaged the fragile coral. The harmony of the ocean was in danger, and Nerida knew she had to do something to protect her home. The leader of these pirates was a fierce man named Captain Blackbeard. With his wild hair and a beard as dark as night, he was feared by sailors and sea creatures alike. When Blackbeard heard about the Pearl of Harmony, he became obsessed with finding it. He believed that with the pearl in his possession, he could rule the seas and make the ocean bend to his will. Nerida understood the danger this posed. She knew that if Blackbeard got his hands on the pearl, the ocean would be thrown into chaos. So, she made a brave decision. She would confront the pirate captain herself. With a deep breath, Nerida swam to the surface, her heart pounding in her chest. She approached the pirate ship cautiously, and just as she feared, she was quickly spotted and captured by the crew. The pirates, expecting a fearsome sea witch, were surprised to see a serene and beautiful mermaid instead. Captain Blackbeard, his eyes narrowing in suspicion, demanded to know why she had come. Nerida, with her calm and gentle voice, offered him a deal. "Captain Blackbeard," she said, "if you agree to stop your destructive search and spare the ocean, I will lead you to the Pearl of Harmony." Intrigued, Blackbeard agreed, though he secretly planned to take the pearl for himself regardless. Nerida led him and his crew through winding underwater caverns and across deep ocean trenches. Along the way, the beauty of the ocean began to soften the hearts of the pirates, who had never before taken the time to appreciate the world beneath the waves. Finally, they arrived at a hidden cave, where the Pearl of Harmony rested in a shell of pure gold, surrounded by glowing sea anemones. As Blackbeard reached for the pearl, it began to glow even brighter, filling the cave with a warm, soothing light. The light seemed to wrap around the captain like a comforting blanket, and to his surprise, he felt a change within himself, a sense of peace he had never known. The pirates, too, were touched by the pearl's magic. They no longer felt the urge to plunder or destroy. Instead, they felt a deep connection to the ocean and its creatures. Moved by the pearl's power, Blackbeard decided to abandon his life of piracy. He and his crew pledged to protect the ocean and its inhabitants from that day forward. Seeing the sincerity in their eyes, Nerida smiled and handed the pearl to Blackbeard as a symbol of their new alliance. The captain gently placed the pearl back in its golden shell, vowing to keep it safe. From that day on, the northern seas became a haven of peace and unity. The pirates, once feared by all, became the guardians of the ocean. They worked alongside Nerida to ensure the well-being of all sea creatures, and the reef flourished once more. The Pearl of Harmony continued to shine brightly, a beacon of hope and a testament to the transformative power of compassion and understanding. And so, the legend of the Pearl of Harmony lived on, teaching everyone who heard it the importance of kindness, teamwork, and caring for the world around us.